Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's Mega Money Mondays, baby. Mega Money Mondays. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How y'all doing today? We're live on the YouTube, baby. Let's get it fucking going. All right, all right. Here we go. La 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 la. Mic check, mic check, mic check. We're live. Oh man. So supposedly, I don't know the actual facts on this, but supposedly this is the most bearish week of the year in record in terms of in the history, in the past. In the past, this week in September is normally very bearish. So, you know how that goes. Let's see what happens. Let's see. Right now, the NASDAQ below the VWAP here. The QQQ, we got a pivot point down there, 368. Very similar to the actual NQ here as well. So a little bit of a gap down there from Friday. Gap down from Friday. And, well, let's see how this plays out. You guys haven't hit that like button. You know what to do. Topstep is got Trade-Evade back as well. So all the people that were waiting for Trade-Evade to come back, it's back, baby. Link there in the description to sign up today. $49 to get back with Trade-Evade. For all the people out there that love Trade-Evade, I'm still on Quant Tower, but anybody out there that, I know there's some diehard Trade-Evade fans that like using Trade-Evade because of the trading view integration. So right now, the NASDAQ, we got the VWAP up there at the 389s. We got this little gap area, 383 from Friday. We got a pivot point down there at the 259s. 259 for the pivot point. So, lots of action. I went to the gym this morning, got my pump on already. Monday, baby. It's Monday, Mega Money Mondays. So today, I only need to make basically $1,500 here to win the challenge. Nutty Bar lost $3,000 there on Friday, shorted at the exact bottom on Friday. It was actually the most amazing trade you could have ever done. In terms of actually, like, I don't know, yeah, in terms of shorting at the worst possible spot, Nutty Bar definitely hit the lowest of lows on Friday. Legitimately shorted right at the fucking, after the market dropped 60 points, he's like, all right, fuck it, I'm gonna short. And he got short at the exact bottom. And then it ripped up like 50 points. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. Trading, baby, at its best. So today should be the last and final day here in the challenge. I just gotta take, make one little, basically, I think one trade and I'm chilling. So we'll wait for the right setup here at open right now. We got, like I said, we got that gap fill. We got the pivot point down there, 258. So that's about a 100-point move down to get that pivot point down there, 259. On the daily chart, not a lot of support here at this level right now. So if we, yeah, I think if we lose that 300 support, it's pretty quick to move down. Pretty quick to move down if we start to sell. So we'll see how this plays out. But right now, kind of pushing back up into this trend line here we got going that we kind of started forming around 8:40, 9 o'clock this morning. This is the 1-minute chart we're looking at here on the NASDAQ. You can see the overnight basically selling off since about 6:30. Nice little move down there from the 420s. Pretty much a 100-point move there in about an hour. Nah, you gotta love it, right? 1 hour, 100-point move down. Just look at that. Just do. Nice and beautiful. Now the market's gonna open up and chop around and just fucking go crazy. And yeah, gotta love it. I was at the gym. When the market moves 100 points to the downside. Good job, Patrick. Fucking getting muscles instead of getting that dollar bills. So, oh man, What a terrible morning so far. Not really, but we got the VWAP there. I'm going to be watching that 390 area VWAP level, see if we get stuck there. If we push up there, fill that gap, get stuck. After that, you've got this 430 from the overnight area. And then obviously there's a pivot point all the way up there at the 89. So I don't really care. Like people always say, are you bearish? Are you bullish? Don't really care either way, to be honest. We're just going to trade the action, my friends. Trade the action, make the money, walk away. Pump it, pump it, pump it up. Pump up the volume, pump up the volume. If you guys haven't hit that like button, help me out. Blow up that like button. It's free to like, by the way. Free, 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 free. Look at that squeeze. Back up there, breaking out of that trend line right now, up to the 60s, 70s. Maybe a little push back up to the VWAP at open. Get denied at the VWAP. Then, or we break through the VWAP, we take out the highs. I don't know. That was a big sell-off there on Friday. Massive sell-off on Friday. We dropped, what? 300 points there on Friday on the NASDAQ. So anything is possible. The ES and NASDAQ both very similar right now. Both selling off. Both below the VWAP. Both in the red right now. 0.2% on the NASDAQ here. Looking at the 15-minute chart right now. La 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 la. I wish there was an easier way to communicate what time frame I'm looking at. It's always the fucking #1 question. What time frame? What time frame? Tim Mullen hit the carnivore diet for 3 months. He'll be blown away by the results. It's too early for that. It's too early for people to give me fucking obvious advice. Guys, I do not need diet advice. I do not need trading advice. I do not need life advice. I don't need any advice, actually. I appreciate you trying to give me advice, but I think I fucking, you know, like, come on. Patrick, check out the carnivore diet. I made the carnivore diet. God. Some guy commented on the video, was like, Patrick, if you want to lose weight, all you got to do is just eat less and work out more. I'm like, whoa, fucking Captain Obvious over here. Captain fucking Obvious. So what you're telling me, if I want to get skinny, all I need to do is just eat less, work out more, do more cardio. Wow. Wow, what a beautiful fucking idea. Like, guys, I'm not an idiot. You know, I'm not fucking an idiot. I know exactly how to lose weight. I've done it. Don't worry about me, my friends. I got you. I wrote the book on being a fucking carnivore. Come on. Car Culture TV said market going to open up very, very bullish. Okay, I like it. Hey, I don't really care. I don't really care either way. I would like it though. I like when the more varies, the better. You gotta put more. I'm gonna make so much. I'm gonna be so very, 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 very rich today, everybody. Get ready. Do a poll here. Let's do a poll. Are we very bullish or very bearish? Let's see. Cast your vote. Be a part of history here. Will we go up? Will we go down? Very, very bullish. Very, very... Oh, fuck! No! Oh, fuck! Oh, my God. Fuck! 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 I literally just spilt my whole protein drink right on my fucking... On my plugs. On the plugs. On my computer plugs. Are you fucking kidding me right now? Fuck! Look at that. The whole thing just spilt out. Fuck! Fuck! Fucking fuck! Fuck! my God, worst case scenario. Worst case scenario. Worst. It could not be any worse. It's the worst case scenario. Worst fucking fuck, man. Are you kidding me right now? Fuck. You know how shitty that's gonna be to clean up? Oh my fucking God. Fuck. Fuck. Oh my, it's literally on the power strip. Oh, fuck. Oh, fucking fuck. God damn it. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. We're in trouble. Oh, God. Sean. Hey, Sean. Take your karma and shove it up you know what. Karma. Oh, fuck it. Karma. Patrick spilled his protein shake. Karma. Got him. It's karma for Patrick saying the F word so much. Got him. The fuck out of here. Tell me that. It's karma. Most beta thing I've ever read in my life. Congratulations, Sean, on literally getting the award for the most beta bitch on the YouTube chat today. Congratulations. You win. Ah! Can I come up with something that's worse than being a beta? I don't think there is anything worse. If anyone was like, man, Patrick's so beta, I'd be like, no! Don't say anything about that! Anything! Anything about that! Don't call... You can call me anything but that. Please don't call me that. Please. Please don't call me. Oh, God. Anything but beta, please. Please don't do that. Fuck, man. Oh, that was the worst. 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 All right, I'm gonna go to the bathroom very quickly. I'm gonna come right back. Don't go anywhere. Keep the party going here. Let's see. I've already drank like fucking 20 gallons of water this morning. I'm a fucking beast. Oh, fucking beast. 20 gallons of water is too much. Oh, God. I put on my kill glasses. These are the kill glasses. Today, we finally are gonna kill the markets here. We're gonna crush it. Absolutely crushing it. Crush it. All right, right now, I would say basically, what do we got? What do we got? We got the VWAP. We got this gap fill. We got to get, I mean, for the bulls, for there to be any type of bullish action, it would have to basically get above the VWAP here at open. Right now, we have this high here at the 73s. So pretty much we stay below this level. We start to sell back down. We look for a sell through the 43s, take out this low down here at the 30s. We got a pivot point all the way down there at the 259s. So, am I going to go back to trade evade? Probably not, to be honest. I just know there's a lot of people that were asking about trade evade, so that's why I am talking about it. But dude, if you guys could hear my music right now, I'm just the most techno, most electronic music you could. I'm literally, it's like fucking, it's like what do you call it? Tron. It's like Tron up in here right now. I feel like I'm one with the Matrix right now. I see everything. I see everything. People are like, but Patrick, you only have one chart. And I'm like, well, I only need one chart because I see everything. All right. Going into open here. Let's see what happens. All we gotta do today is make $1,500 to make Nutty Bar my little bitch boy. If I win the challenge, which I will win, Nutty Bar has to come over and mow my yard. Gonna come mow my yard for the rest of his life. Four minutes. 4 minutes. I'm gonna have Nutty Bar come over and he can hold my bag of money everywhere I go. Nutty, bring that bag of money. Bring the bag of money. Bring the money, Nutty. Bring it over here. Dollar bills. If you guys haven't hit that like button, let's get 500 likes here on the stream. I will turn this bitch off. Don't test me. Don't test me, people. I'll turn it right off. The ES right below that 4,500 level. So the ES here at open, we'll see how this kind of looks. But right now, obviously not looking too hot. Will the Bears take over and send this thing into the grave today? Into the grave today. What am I trading today? Mostly Pokemon cards. This is the price of the Charizard right now. The Charizard card. You can buy a Charizard card for $15,352. I'm going to try to maybe buy it a little bit lower, though. Holographic Charizard cards only is what we're trading today, boys. Get ready. We got 2 minutes. Somebody said they were very, very bullish here earlier, so see how that works. They said very, very twice in the same sentence. So that means the market's going to go straight down at open. All right. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Both the NASDAQ and the ES below the VWAP here, both looking dangerous here. We take out that low there, the 30s. I think we'll go straight on down there, 300s or more. So, well, let's see how this plays out. 15-minute chart, not looking very hot right now. We got about a minute left here. Take out this 43 level. It should just wipe out that low down there. Dollar is kind of dumping though, but it's holding up there right now. We'll see. 30 seconds. Get ready, people. The moment that we've all been waiting for. Monday morning, market open. And I've been sitting there at the computer just staring at the charts all weekend long. Just please open. I've done nothing but just stare at the chart all weekend long. Oh. Count it down with me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very, very bullish. Going straight up here into the 60s right now. Watching to see if we dump through that level right here at the 50, 40s. Being patient here. I'm gonna grab a short right there. See if we sell through that 50 level there next. Watching right here closely. Need to sell through 50s. I don't like it right there. Bouncing back up there quickly. So bounce there too much. Give it a second. Squeezing back up here right now. Back up there to the 70s. Whew, good thing I got out where I did. Let's buy this strength and get this push straight up there through the 80s next. Oh, God. Don't nutty bar me now. Oh, we hit our max loss on the day. Fuck me. Damn it, nutty bar. You did it to me. Oh, God. Fuck. That sucks. We went all in, baby. I wanted to kill it right there. It got me. How it goes sometimes, my friend. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. Today, we party. Now it's going to rip through the 80s. Straight up there. There she goes. Through the 80s now. Looking for this push up there through the 80s. I'm in my express funded accounts. Let's get this push up there through the 80s. We'll make some real money here. And there she goes up there to the 80s. Quick little $1,500 on that account. On those 3 accounts. So. Dun, 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 dun. That was the push we were looking for. I was just a little too aggressive right there. Fuck. Fuck. The great thing is, it don't really matter. I made a squeeze. We still got the fit. We still got that little break through the 80s we were looking for on the express funded accounts, real money accounts. So at least we made real money today. We didn't make money in the fake accounts. Up there through the 80s. Can they push right to the 90s now? Looking a little squeezy here through the 90s next. Up there to the 90s. Right there through the 90s now. I'm locking in for another $1,500. Fuck! Damn it! God, motherfucking damn it! Oh! Oh! Oh, God! Up there through the 90s, you motherfuckers. Anybody that's telling me to never trade the 5-minute open, what are you like? What are you talking about right now? Can you just not talk anymore, maybe? Please don't talk. Thank you. Up there, trying to squeeze right through the 400s here. Should go right up there through this. Try to get through that 400 level here. Pushing straight up there, 405s now. Trying to get that push up there to the 410s quickly. Got to go straight up here. I just sized in too fucking big there at open. That's all it is. We got the move we were looking for. Straight up there. Through the 15s now, the 20s. Big old boner candle there on the 15-minute chart. First candle of the day. How the fuck did I... can't believe I blew that on that fucking open. So stupid. I just should not... I don't know why I fucking grabbed 15 contracts right there. Painful. I lost the open trade there. Just went too heavy on the open. Had a little pullback and then we ripped up. Should have been a little bit more patient there. Still made money in the express funded accounts, up $9,000 in the express funded accounts here. Not a big deal. You can see there. Locking in $3,000. So, hey, making money that I can actually, you know, do something with versus the fake challenge account. I'm not that worried about it. Up there, straight to the 430s right now. The market going absolutely bonkers here. Right through the VWAP there at open. See what happens. Maybe we get a pullback here. You're back. Car culture, congratulations. I like it. You're very, very bullish. Let's go, baby. Looks like she wants that 30 break next on the book map there. Up there to the highs from the overnights through that 30 level. Possible next. Dollar starting to squeeze back up here. Still trying to push. Got to get through the 30s there next to squeeze. There it goes through the 30s now. She's still squeezing. She can't stop. She won't stop. Ayo in the yayo up 37.55 now. You can see there 37.55 now in the express funded. All I had to do for that open was just be a little bit more patient there, and we would have got that rip that we were looking for. I just basically bought this breakout. It was too quick to jump right in there. Is what it is. If I would have only taken 5 contracts, we would have been chilling. Market all the way up there to a high now of 35. I don't know why everybody's freaking out right now about it's a combine account, guys. It's a challenge with a YouTuber that's got 4,000. I don't give a fuck. We made real money, so he can sit there and play around in his fucking combine account. I don't know why everybody's like freaking out right now. It's not a big deal. We're chilling, boys. We're chilling. We're chilling. Like I said, right now, up 3,700. 3,700 right there in the express funded. So it's not a big deal. It is what it is. We went hard. We went for the kill. We got stopped. We're still alive. Still living, baby. Little pullback right now here into the 20s again. See how this kind of looks. We're pushing into a trend line on the 15-minute chart. The NASDAQ, the ES both pulling back right now. Got the VWAP all the way down there at 91s. Maybe get a little push off that VWAP would be nice. See if we can hold that VWAP level. Paul, you would have made the same mistake regardless of what account you were using. Okay, Paul. Okay. You guys win. I suck. I'm terrible. I'm terrible. I quit trading. I'm gonna delete my YouTube channel. I lost money. Oh my God. How did he do it, Patrick? I can't believe it. The streak is over. I'm actually not that, like I said, I'm not that mad about it because the nice thing is that that was a loss in the fake account or in the combine. So we made money in the express funded account. We lost money in the combine. So like, am I really going to lose sleep over that? I don't think so. I don't think so. Like I said, just went a little too crazy right there. I was too pumped up. I spilled the fucking protein shake on the thing, and then all the fucking all was all crazy. I do not. It does not in my account. No, I was up 5,700. This morning I was up to 5,700, so I still got plenty of fucking room to run. I literally, it's like another couple days trading here and I'll be back. I'll still be up. It don't matter. Not a big deal. We're chilling. If you guys haven't hit that like button, hit it. Hit it. Right now, pulling back here into the 80s. That VWAP, we gotta need that VWAP to get touched. We got the VWAP touch there. Like, can we get back above the VWAP here? I just don't know why anyone's gonna give me shit right now. Like, okay, I took a bad trade. I took a trade and I lost money, guys. Like, welcome to trading. It's called trading for a purpose. I'm still the #1 day trader on YouTube. It don't matter. I ain't worried about it. All right, we're back to the VWAP there. Is on my mind. All right, we got about 30 seconds here till this 15-minute candle closes. We're gonna be right in the middle of that 15-minute range right now. We're pulling back into the 14 EMA here on the 1-minute chart as well. Let's see how this kind of starts to move now. If we start to push back above that 400 level, we bounced off the VWAP there. Like I said, we had a 300 point drop there on Friday. So the bulls finding some relief down here right now. We're still red on the day. Dollar pulling back here as well, so. I'm up on my mind. Na, 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 na. Trying to get back above this 400 level right now. stuck there at the 400s again. Dollar selling off. The ES looking dumpy though. We start to dump through this 80 level, things get juicy. To the downside there through the VWAP here. Both the ES and the NASDAQ both selling down here now. To get away from the VWAP, just chopping right here at the VWAP for now. But we dump right through this 80 level. Take out the lows possibly. The ES is down at the lows right now at the 91s. The NASDAQ kind of holding up here for now, but see how this plays. Want to get away from that VWAP. We're right there on the VWAP as well on the QQQ, so got to get through that. That VWAP holding up there for now. The NASDAQ, the ES battling here. The ES is down there at the lows right now. I'm just kind of watching to see what happens here with the ES. The low on the ES from earlier was 87. If we sell through that 87 level, I think the NASDAQ follows the ES and try to take out that low at the 30s or 40s. The ES down there to the 90s. ES is just moving down to the lows. The NASDAQ holding up here for now. Dollar also holding up. NASDAQ ripping straight back up through that 80 level. The VWAP keeping us alive for now. Dollar showing weakness, so that was kind of a little worrisome. Back up to the 400s again. Will they push this through the 400s or get stuck there for a little double top on this 1 minute chart here, 400 level? Above the 400s again. Got that high up there at the 37s. There's liquidity all the way up there at the 50s. Like I said, on the QQQ, the VWAP right there, holding it up for now. Looking squeezy here. If this thing starts ripping. Problem is the ES is still just at the lows right down there. I don't like that, but need the ES to be saved here. ES is lagging right now. The NASDAQ up there through the 10s. Is this the reversal for that push up? What we got pivot point wise? Pivot point all the way up there at the 490s on the NASDAQ here. Up there to the 15s currently. 20s. Well, they ripped this straight through that high. Looking at the book map right now. That 50 level sitting up there. Do we go to the 50s? Almost to the 30s now. What a push. Need to get some structure, kind of some consolidation here at the 20s. Dollar again squeezing up. That high on the NASDAQ earlier there at the 37s. Had this little breakout right there. Still showing some pretty good strength here to try to squeeze. Trying to get that 50 liquidity up there. There's 110 contracts on the book map up there at the 50s. There's a pivot point all the way up to the 90s there. So 90 pivot point. The 15-minute high is that 35 level. So I think if we get through that 35, you're looking at 60s, maybe possibly 80s quickly. So see 35s again on the book map sitting there. NASDAQ straight up here, ripping back up. The ES also ripping back up here. I think we got to take out that high with this push. Take out that high there and try to push up there towards the 60s next. $35 liquidity sitting there after that 50s up there. Look and see if we break through the highs here. 35 liquidity sitting there after that 50s. The ES can get above that 500 level. Well, then I think the NASDAQ goes to the 90s. So watching the ES here. ES again kind of double topping there at the 97s. So ES keeping the NASDAQ down. Little pullback here. 09s. Got that 15-minute range breakout possible. Dollar pushing straight up here again. The ES just can't get through that 97s. NASDAQ pulling back here, the 400s again. Housing numbers in 5 minutes. So now just kind of waiting to see if we can get this breakout here. Yeah, the problem is you got this high right here at the 30s. You got this other high at the 37s. So got two highs to get through there. This lower high, then this high from earlier. You need the bulls to just squeeze right through there. Right now the bears have a lot to short off of. So you'd want to see this thing to start ripping straight up here. Get back through the 20s and then take out that 30s quickly. The dollar just going straight up here right now. NASDAQ, the ES, both trouble. The ES is just stuck. 15-minute chart. Can't really make a move on the ES. And we're pulling back into the QQQ VWAP there as well. Ain't no other man. All right. Trying to squeeze there again on the NASDAQ. Need to get through this level, 1520s, and then try to take out that high quickly. You don't want this thing stuck here too long. Looking squeezy. Can they go? 20 liquidity sitting there through the 20s, 35s next. Way, my girl. My. NASDAQ still stuck there below the 20s, maybe waiting for these numbers to come out. $16.75 high on that last 1 minute candle there. Two-minute chart here now. A little cleaner. See this price action here. Got numbers here in 20 seconds or so. Will we squeeze straight up? Dollar pulling back here. The ES, the NASDAQ, sitting there right now. Bam, 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 bam. All right, 3, 2, 1. Kind of uneventful there, the numbers. NASDAQ still just stuck there at the 10s for now. QQQ pulling back to the VWAP once again. Got to get through this 20 level for the bulls here. And just chopping here. Book map looking a little thick here. Kind of holding it down there. They got to get this thing through the 10s. Start to squeeze it. And you got that 35 liquidity and 50s up there next. ES starting to push up there. 96s on the ES. The 97 level was resistance. 98 still. So there's that 500, 4,500 on the ES needing to push up there. But right now, just stuck there multiple times. The NASDAQ can't get through the 10s. We're stuck. Consolidating here above the 400s. If we can stay above the 400s, maybe we push. But right now, not looking too hot. Just stuck there over and over below the 20s on the ES. Some in the NASDAQ. The ES again up there to the 96s. Yee! Once again, NASDAQ testing that 10 level. Got denied. You can see that liquidity just came in there, sold it back down. They're going to keep tapping that. ES up there to 96s again. NASDAQ back to the 400s. And we're just chopping here. Still holding it at the 400s on the NASDAQ, but just cannot make a break out here on 2-minute chart. You can see these highs is getting denied, denied, denied. Will they push it again off that 400 level? We're holding that VWAP on the QQQ there. Holding the VWAP for now. Got a pivot point up there on the Qs at the 372.30 level. Trying to push, but again, just all that liquidity there at the 10s, holding it down. See some buyers coming in there strong. There's some momentum here. They're trying to push it. Want more momentum here, more momentum. Squeezy squeezies. Oh, again, stuck there at the 10. Got to clear out this level. Just can't get through there. Looks like the ES again stuck there. The ES can get through that 98 500 level. Then I think the NASDAQ wants to go as well. But both charts just stuck at this level for now. Again, the NASDAQ right there below the 20s. I mean, I think through this level, you got that pivot point up there at the 90s. Wouldn't be a bad target if this thing starts ripping, but right now, just can't get through the 10, 20s. And back down again. The NASDAQ, the ES both stuck there. And right back down. Trying to be patient here. Again, bouncing off the VWAP on the QQQ. They're just consolidating here at this 400 level for now. They're going to get a move. Something's going to happen. Something's going to happen. I just don't know what. Ticky, 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 ticky. Dollar trying to break out here again. The NASDAQ, the ES, both. ES is just absolutely going sideways. The NASDAQ just kind of slowly popping up, slowly pulling back here. Stuck in about a 20-point range right now on this 2-minute chart. The 1-minute chart right now, not looking too hot. Again, pulling back here. Is this the dump? Back down there through the 90s again on the ES, down to the 92s. NASDAQ through the 90s again. At that VWAP on the QQQ though. The moment of truth here. If this thing starts dumping, it should sell through. But it's got to get through that 80 level, right? The problem is, look at the QQQ just holding up there right now at that VWAP level. Can't make a new low here yet. And chopped it right back up. Oh my God. Patience. That VWAP just holding up there on the QQQ. Oh my God. Gonna go straight up now or what? Dollar getting stuck there at the highs again. The NASDAQ right back up to the 20s, just chopped fucking 20, 30 points right there, just straight back up on that 1-minute candle. I think this, I don't want to jinx it, but I think this might be the breakout here. Let's see. We can break through that high there, then it gets going. Oh. Look at that boner candle. Oh my God. She's got to go. You don't want this thing stuck here again at the fucking 20s. Book map showing that 25 liquidity, 35 liquidity, then 50s up there. This thing's got to go, go, go. Straight through here. Straight up, straight up. Again, stuck at the 20s. Oh my, how is that possible? Wow. The chop is fucking real today, boys. Market said we ain't going nowhere. We going up, we going down, up and down, baby. That's amazing, actually. NASDAQ at the 20s here. We get this breakout through the 20s, try to get that squeeze straight up there to the 60s. It's got to go, go, go. Trying to get through there. We got a high right there from earlier. We get through this high and then that 37s and go right to the fucking 60s there. Trying to push. Will she go? 35 on the book map there. 30s next. That high from earlier right there is 29.25. So if this thing starts ripping straight up there to the 60s, what you're looking for, straight to the 60s. Straight to the 60s, baby. Straight through the 60s here. Can we get all the way through there? She wants it. She wants to go. She wants it all the way through the 40s there, up to the 33s, trying to get this breakout through the fucking highs up to the 60s. Trying to push 35, 33, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40s. Come on, baby. Get that 40 push here. Don't chop it down. Just push it right through 40s here. Right here, right now, right here, right now, right here, right now, through the 40s. Again, stuck there, the 33s, 40s. Gotta go, baby, gotta go. One more boner candle. Through the 40s to the 60s. Through the 40s, through the 60s here. Again, stuck there at the 40s for now, consolidating here. The ES through the 500s, 4500s there. Get the push through the 40s here quickly. NASDAQ at the 28s. Stuck there at the 40s again. Dollar pulling back here. ES, NASDAQ trying to push. Trying to do some witchcraft here. I don't like that pullback right there. What is that? Come on. Get through there. That 50 liquidity is sitting there on the book map right now, looking juicy up there. The market wants that liquidity. It's searching for that liquidity, baby. It wants the 50s. It wants to go to the 60s here. Do the witchcraft. Do the squeeze. And denied at the 40s. Pulling back here. That's no fun. Come on. Back to the 20s again. Got stuck at the 40s. Denied. Pulled right back to the 20s again. This could be our break. The ES stuck at the highs, double top on the 15-minute chart. So that's why I think the NASDAQ stuck there as well. Stuck there at the 20s again. Fucking NASDAQ loves that 20 level today. ES pushing back up towards the 500s again. Will the NASDAQ break out here? This thing, I think we go to the pivot point if we break out here, to be honest. All this fucking consolidation here at the 20, 30, 40s. It's gonna squeeze. Through the 40s, got that pivot point up there at the 90s, so I don't know. I don't know, man. What do I know? I'm just a guy on the internet. Just a guy on the fucking internet, man. Up there to the 30s again. Bunch of liquidity sitting there at the 40s and then 50s. Dollar pulling back here. ES up there to the 500s. Dollar dumping down here. Shh. I don't want to jinx it, but it should break the 40s next. I don't want to jinx it, but we should break through the 40s there. Up there to the 35s again. The ES right at the 4,500s. The NASDAQ right here at this high. Got to get through the 40s and push straight up. Push straight up. 35, 35, 35s. She's tight. She wants it so badly. The NASDAQ called me and said, Patrick, we want to go, but it's just the bears, man. They got their teeth in me. They got the teeth in me. Up there to the 35s again. Oh, tapping on heaven's doors. Tapping on heaven's doors. Can you take me higher? 34, 35, 36s. Look at this thing, how tight she is right now. Just sitting there at the highs there again. Denied. Can you take me higher to a place with God and things? Oh, come on, NASDAQ. Come on. Show the world. Show the world your strength. Show the world. 32, 33s again. We're right there. We're so damn close, man. We're so damn close. Dollar still pulling back. The ES, the NASDAQ trying to push through that 15-minute opening range. Still not broken out there. Thing is looking like she just wants to go. Just wants to do it for Papa. Papa Wieland. 35, 35s again. Trying to get this push through the 40s here. We're trying everything. We're praying. We're saying our Hail Marys. We're counting sheep. We're doing everything. Trying to get a squeeze here. Nothing's working. Even the witchcraft isn't working. Even the witchcraft's not working today, boys. Damn it. Pulling back here into the 30s again. Kind of waiting to see if we get this break through the 40s here. Talk about holding here. Both the NASDAQ and the ES just stuck below the 40s here. The ES right there at the 501, 4501, trying to break through there. We got to get through the 40s right here, right now. Can she go? Again, stuck there. Got to go, 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 go. Liquidity looking good. They're moving that liquidity up. Should break 40s here. Ah! Just do it. Just do it. Oh! Go through the 40s already. Oh my God. Motherfuckers. Trying to get that break through the 40s. It's again stuck there. This thing is ready to explode. It's peaking right now. It's peaking. It's peaking right here, boys. If the ES can get through that 501 15-minute open range, we gotta go. I don't want to jinx it, but like we gotta go. That's so much pressure here. So much. La 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 la. Fucking A. Oh, that sucks. Oh, God. We need more yellow lines. We got to draw more lines. More lines, everybody. More lines. We just need more lines. If we draw more lines, it'll have to go. Look at that. We got more lines. It's got to go now. Look at that. It's technical analysis. See, it'll bounce off this line, go to that line, then go over here to this line, then maybe go to this line next. I call this the Fibonacci Garapshrapchi. I don't know if you guys see where my entry's at, but pretty much my entries, you know, these yellow lines. My entries, my targets, all very clearly drawn out for you guys. I'm just trying to, you know, be as transparent as possible here on YouTube. I don't know. It looks pretty good, to be honest. Quality. Again, the QQQ pulling back here. We got the 14 EMA right there. We've got the VWAP down there at the 370.34. Let's see what happens. Will we bounce off this yellow line and then go to this yellow line? I think it could happen. Maybe this yellow line or possibly this yellow line. Not sure yet. Oh, man. Well, the good news is I'm still up $6,605 there in the express funded accounts. I just wanted that fucking $10,000 day. Remember, I got 3 of these accounts, by the way, so was going for that $30,000. We can still get it. It can still happen. We just need one more good trade, baby. One more good trade. One more good trade. Car Culture, thank you for the rip. I rip in the waves, baby. Ripping and dipping. I rip the markets. I rip the waves. And begging. Oh, guys, I have figured out what is going on here. Are you ready? Watch. Bum. 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 It's the Loch Ness Monster. It's so clear now. It's right there. Look at that. 460 target. I think that's the way to go, you know? I don't know. I might be crazy, but I think it's looking pretty good for the Loch Ness Monster breakout here. Looking solid. Look at that. I mean, you got the tail. I mean, even the tail looks good. Wee wee. I mean, come on. How are you not impressed with this artwork? This artwork alone. It looks pretty. I mean, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I'm obviously like joking, but it looks pretty good for this breakout next. If it goes to the 460s, you can just go ahead and give all credit to the Loch Ness Monster pattern. People will be like, "But Patrick, you never told us. You never told us what was gonna happen before the move happened." And I'll be like, "Well, I told you the Loch Ness Monster was looking pretty Loch Nesty." You know, I don't know. Looks pretty good to me. We're trading NASDAQ futures, like real men. None of that Forex bullshit. NASDAQ 100. No. Trading fucking futures like real fucking men. Real men. 15 fucking contracts. 15 fucking contracts at open. Blah! People are like, I can't believe you traded 15 contracts at open. Well, guess what? When you play with the big boys, you get 15 contracts to the face. 15 contracts straight to the fucking face, boys. $15 contracts to the face. The funny part is I could literally lose another $3,000 and still be ahead of Nutty Bar. Have I considered getting a Ram TRX? No. Do I look like a beta bitch? No. No, 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 no. Dodge? Ew. Come on. Ugh. Ugh. I don't even like the body on those things, to be honest. Oh god, back to the 30s here. It's a dope truck. What's not dope about my fucking Raptor? What am I gonna pull my yellowfin? You cannot pull a fucking 36 yellowfin with a TRX. That right there, car culture, you're misinformed, my friend. I got an F250 HO 6.7 liter, 500 horsepower, 1,200 pounds of torque. I will fucking pull a TRX around in a circle and make it my bitch. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. TRX. Be like this. Wee, 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 wee. The 36 is not getting pulled. Well, the 36 got to get pulled a little bit. It's going to get pulled from the keys to my house in Pompano, so it's got to get pulled. I mean, I got a trailer for it, but I am going to be keeping it in the water most of the time, yes. The new Hummers are EV, yeah. I mean, I will never drive a electric vehicle. I ain't got no time for that. You know? I love when people like talk shit on Fords, but like, guys, I don't really care. I have a thing called a warranty, right? It's a brand new truck. If it blows up, I don't give a fuck. I just take it to the dealership and get a new one. People are like, yeah, but your Ford's gonna break down and my truck's got 500,000 miles on it and I ain't got no problems. So I'm like, well, congratulations. Cool, good story. I have a warranty. It's good to go. No problem. I got 3 trucks for a reason. If one breaks down, I got another one. If 2 break down, I got another one. I don't care. I don't care. I just love when people are like, yeah, those things, they always break down. I'm like, it's brand new. Got a warranty. Like literally 75,000 mile warranty. Like what? I ain't gonna drive that. It's got 1,000 miles on it. I drive, guys, I don't drive. Like I'm not I don't work construction driving around all day. I literally drive maybe 5 miles a day tops. I don't really do anything. I just trade on YouTube and then work out. It's all I literally do. I go on the boat. I don't need to worry about it. If it breaks down, who cares? Just fucking send it to the dealership. Get it fixed. Not a big deal. Wait till you have to replace that battery in a few years. Oh, God. The things that you guys think I'm worried about. Guys, I don't know if I'm going to be able to afford it. How will I be able to afford replacing the battery? How will I be able to do it? Oh, not the battery. Not the battery. Anything but the battery. Not the battery. 3 vehicles and you don't drive. I drive, baby. I drive on iDrive. but not a lot. I try to keep the mileage down. I ride the bike a lot. You know, I don't really like, I don't know. I work from home, so I don't drive to an office. I don't have to drive to work. Like, I don't really put mileage on it other than driving to South Florida, sometimes the Keys. Reason for the 3 trucks. Well, let's talk about it. I got a Raptor, right? A Raptor's like a sport truck. You can't really pull stuff with it. And then I've got the Bronco, which I bought the Bronco when I was in Hawaii. It was going to be my Hawaii car, but I don't live in Hawaii, so now I have a Bronco in Orlando. And the Super Duty, I'm putting it on 40-inch tires so I can just drive over everybody. I like big trucks, and I cannot lie. Mama don't tell me why, but when a big truck drives by, I'm like, woo, look at that. The ES up to the... Can the ES break out here? Back to the VWAP here on the NASDAQ. Bouncing off the VWAP there. The ES just stuck here. Look at the ES. Cannot get moving. The ES is like... I don't know, in this 15-minute range right now. Got the next pivot point on the ES all the way up there at the 520s. Ooh. And the NASDAQ down there through the 400s. I think it's a good time to walk the fuck away. That's what I think. That's what I'm thinking. Time to just get the fuck out of here. Say peace to the Middle East, motherfuckers. Peace to the middle motherfucking East. Peace to the middle motherfucking East. That's what I'm thinking. So, I will admit, I did go a little crazy at open. I went a little crazy. I got stopped out in the challenge. I did it, you know. Hey, I felt like, honestly, it was just like I just needed to take that loss. Just needed to have a nice loss one time in my life, you know. Every once in a while, it's good to feel the pain. But the great thing is that was in the combine versus, you know, nutty cakes, and well, we came back strong in the express funded. We got 6,600 in one account, 6,575 in the others. And yeah, it's good. That's still three accounts times 6,000. How much money is that? 3 times 6. How much money is that? That 18,000? 18,000? Is that 18,000? I think it's 18,000. 18,000? I think it's $18,000. It's not bad. It's not a bad morning. $18,000 on a Monday. I ain't mad about it. You know, I ain't mad about it. I take it. A little bit of money. A little bit of money. Hey, I like a little bit of money, you know? Nutty Bar is going to blow up his account today, and I'm going to win by default. Let's go, boys! You can't beat me! Like, what am I gonna do with my $18,000? Well, I gotta buy a new boat lift. I gotta buy a boat lift. Fucking boat lift's $20,000. I gotta buy new fishing poles. I'm gonna spend like $100,000 on fucking fishing poles. Not a good look. Fucking A, fishing poles are expensive. I got all custom fishing poles. They're all matching. They're all colorful. They're all beautiful. They say on it, fuck you, make money. Oh, it's gonna be beautiful. $30,000 worth of fishing poles. Yeah, I'm that big of a redneck, my friends. People ask me, what do I do with my money? Well, little do you know, I buy fishing poles. Oh, and my heart hurts. I've been having like a heart pain today. I think I'm having a heart attack. What if I had a heart attack live on YouTube? What would you guys do? Would you call 911 and be like, hey, there's this guy, Patrick Wieland, he's live on YouTube. I don't know where he lives, but he's having a heart attack. I need to give you guys my address just in case it happens one day. I need to give you my address. Then you're gonna swap me. No, don't do that either. That's fucked up. I did, you know what I thought about would be kind of more, I don't know if it's morbid or it'd be nice or it'd be funny. What if I thought about what I would do is I'd make a video, right? Right now, the NASDAQ just looking dumpy here. We're back down to this kind of trend line here. I'm really confused right now, but I think if we break through here, we start selling. But what if I was thinking about making a video, right? Talking about me dying. And then like a will, like a YouTube will. Look at this thing dumping right now. Down there, the 75s on the liquidity book map right now. Watch it. See if it hits 75 here. Below 78s. Trying to get that 75 touch. But I thought about making like a will. Look at that, 75 touch. Thank you very much. I thought about making a will. So I basically post it on YouTube. I schedule it for 3 years in the future. And then, you know, every couple years, I just like keep moving it into the future, maybe update it. And then like if I die one day, it'll just automatically post. That would be freaking freaky, right? What if I died, the video automatically posts and you guys all get to watch it? Would you like write rip? What would be the comment? Patrick, we miss you. Come back. Patrick, don't leave us. In the will, I'm like, I'm gonna leave my microphone to Nutty Bar because his microphone sucks. And I'm gonna leave my trading account to Abyss because I know Abyss will blow it up. I'm also leaving my monitors to everybody else in the chat. I'm leaving my truck. I'm gonna leave it to Bob Richards. Bob Richards, it's yours. You can have it. And I'm also leaving my whole entire bank account to ICT because I know he needs the money. I do need to put someone on my bank account. Who wants to be on there? I need someone if I die. I need someone to be able to get all the money out of my bank account. Because right now I got nobody on the bank account. There's like $500,000 in there. So if anybody wants it, I got you. No girlfriend. I guess I can leave it to my Nana. Should be fucking 87 years old, $500,000 just fucking wee. Oh, this thing's looking juicy for a short here. I don't know. Maybe it rips back up. Is it gonna fucking get stuck here and go lower? Take out the lows there. I don't know. I'm up $18,000 on the day. Why the fuck am I gonna do anything else? ICT, I'm sending you my bank. I'm gonna give you all my money, ICT. Michael, I know you want it. Michael, I'm gonna help you not fucking own a Corvette anymore, my friend. Go out and buy a proper car, not a little toy Corvette. I just kidding. You know, I just kid. But really though, you can have one of my trucks, Michael. I saw you got. I think you got to get a new Lotus. Oh, you can, come on, Michael. Don't do stupid. Don't do something stupid. Don't do that, Michael. Don't do that, Michael. How about this? I think you should get a house right next to me in Pompano. We'll be neighbors, right? We'll be neighbors. I'll have my boat. You get a boat. And we can cruise around all day, you know, just like you be on your boat, I'll be on my boat, and we just drive around. We're just gonna drive around. Hey, Michael, I saw Vinny, whatever the fuck his name is. That fucking dude, that new trailer for the documentary. I mean, honestly, it's just getting hilarious at this point that he put that much effort into it. I like it. Hey, at least you got to give him props. He puts a lot of effort into talking about you. Nutty Bar doesn't do enough effort. Nutty Bar's videos are shit, and they don't even like make me look good, you know. So But yeah, that fucking documentary trailer is amazing. It's like, it's literally the most fun, like most dramatic shit ever. ICT, Michael Huddleston. Have you heard of the ghost in the machine? I hope someone makes a documentary about me one day. Patrick Wieland, the biggest scam on the internet. He doesn't tell you when to buy. He doesn't tell you when to sell. He's a big scammer. God. I just want someone to make a documentary. Anybody out there watching, if you want to make a documentary, I'll help you. I'll give you all the footage you need. I really want a documentary on YouTube about me being the biggest scammer on the internet. Come on, somebody help me. Nutty Bar is going to be like, but Patrick, he says that he makes $1 million a year, but he's only withdrawn $20,000. I don't understand. A simple math, it doesn't add up, guys. If you do simple math, if he says that he makes $1 million a year, but he's only withdrawn $20,000, clearly he's scamming you. Do you not understand that Patrick Wieland is scamming you? He's made $1 million. He says he's a millionaire, but he's only withdrawn $20,000. How does he do it? I don't understand. I'm confused. If he makes so much money, how has he not withdrawn $20 million? How does he not withdrawn $20 million? Oh God. The funny part is I literally don't even claim that I even make money trading. I post on Twitter, I don't make any money trading, and people are still like, you're a scammer. I just admitted to it. I literally just admitted that I don't make any money trading, and people are still like, nope, no, he's lying. He's lying. He's a liar. Like, fuck. What do you want me to do? I don't make any money trading. I don't make any money trading. There you go. The secret is out. What the fuck? What can I do at this point? I don't get it. I don't get it. You're right, Nutty Bar. You got me. The secret is out. Patrick is only withdrawn $20,000. You know how much money Nutty Bar is withdrawn? Well, I think $0. She says he's withdrawn 2,000, but let's be honest. I don't know. I want to see the account. I want to see the facts. I want to see the bank statements. No, I don't make any money trading. Did I make $18,000 a day? No, it's not real. It's all fake, guys. This is all fake. We're living in a simulation. This is not real life. I'm from the future. Welcome to the party. Welcome to the party. I don't do this for real. It's all fake. Does it say that I made $6,000 there? It's not real. It's all fucking fake. I'm paper trading every day. That's all I do. I only paper trade, okay? How am I supposed to focus on trading with this guy hollering about who knows what? Hound, guess what? All you have to do is just turn it off. What you do is just turn it off. Turn it off. Just turn it off right now. I help you. Nutty Bar, the secret's out. I never make no money. So fake. Like, that's the best part is I could literally never make any money trading, and I could still have more people watching me on YouTube than anybody else on YouTube. Well, there's a couple people, but in general, majority of people, I can still get more people watching. God. What happens when I pass the challenge? Well, the account just goes into like holding backup. Put it on the bench, you know? Put it on the bench. The ES is still holding up, to be honest. The ES is still holding up there. The NASDAQ, not so much holding up. But I don't know, you have to get through the 90s there. Got to get that push up through the 400s next. Hitting that trend line again. The ES up there to the 4500s. Impress. Take it off. Slow dance. Impress. Take it off. Trying to get there through the 90s here. Got the VWAP on the QQQ up there as well. Got to get back above the VWAP there. VWAP. Up there to the 90s once again. Stuck right below the VWAP there. NASDAQ out there 91, 92s. The ES still out there at the 4500s. NASDAQ trying to rebound here. Looking in trouble again at the 90s there. Turn down for what? Oh, God. They're chopping it around the 90s here. Chopping at the 90s there. Trying to get there to the 92s. Right there at the VWAP on the QQQ. The 90s. Again, 92 holding it down there. No, just the bottom. You had a little double, triple toppy thingy there, or triple bottomy thing. Looking at this thing, just kind of waiting to see how this plays out. Dollar squeezing back up there. The ES just cannot get through that level there. 15-minute high, still at the 502s now. Liquidity at the 95 area on the NASDAQ there. The ES again, just stuck right there, 4500s at the VWAP, holding up at the VWAP on the ES there. The NASDAQ still, where's the VWAP on the NASDAQ here? VWAP on the NASDAQ at the 96s there. Could get a little VWAP push here. Maybe. Maybe, baby. Yeah. Push to the 400s again. They can hold here. Needs to hold 80s. Try to get that push to the 400. Dollar pulling back. NASDAQ chopping here. And dumped it back down. The ES stuck there at the 4500s. The NASDAQ stuck there at the 80s. And back up. Oh, Choppy McChopperson here, they said. We gotta chop everybody up today. Gotta chop everybody up. Chop them. Chop them. Choppy McChoppersons. The ES at the 4500s. The NASDAQ back up there towards that 90 level. Through the 90s. Dollar pulling back here. Should get this to try to push up to the VWAP maybe. But I just don't like this fucking chop city here. And again, pulling back there, 81s, 80s. And the NASDAQ straight down there from the 88s to the 70s again. I don't know. The NASDAQ, the ES both just stuck there. Hit that trend line multiple attempts. Try to get through that 90 level and pulling back to the 60s here. And once again, squeezing up there. Phew. Time just to stay out of it, my friends. And once again, back up. Wowzers. The ES still just stuck at that 4,500 level. The ES cannot move here. So NASDAQ once again back up there to the 80s. Wow. The chop is real. Again, stuck there at the 85s. Got the VWAP on the NASDAQ up there at the 96s. The VWAP push. Up there to the 90s, right to the trying to go to that VWAP looking like. Right up there to the VWAP. Not bad. Oh my God. What is happening? What is happening? Going straight up here again. Ooh, the VWAP straight up there. 405, 407s. Well, that was the VWAP push that we were looking for. Back above the VWAP there on the NASDAQ again. Back above the VWAP. On the book map there, liquidity up to the 10s. Market don't want to go down. Market gonna go back up, boys. That's how she works. Or maybe she's just gonna chop here at the 400s again. Dollar pulling back there. We're pushing off the VWAP. The ES finally breaking out of that 15-minute range. And the ES make a move higher, that 04, 05 level, and then the 08s from the overnight on the ES. That'll probably get the NASDAQ pushing back up towards the highs. On the QQQ, again, there at the VWAP. Dollar selling down there. NASDAQ, ES back up here. NASDAQ back up 402s. Need that 05 break quickly to get through there, but bunch of liquidity sitting there at the 10s again. Kind of an area earlier that we were sitting at. Getting stuck there. Up there to the 05s again. They go to the 10s here off the VWAP. He's trying to get that 10 break. QQQ. Woo. Things get interesting. We can break out of that 10. Tapping. Oh. right up there to the 10s. Stuck. Really 950, 950 high there. Again, the ES just cannot get moving. The ES up there to the 504s right now, pulling back. The ES here at the 400s. Sitting there at the VWAP again on the QQQ. Trying for that 10 break one more time. Needs to do it right here, right now, through the 10s. I'll take it. Oh my God. Oh my God. Is $7,330 good, or is that bad? Is that good, or is that bad? I'm confused. Does that mean I made money, or does that mean I lost some money? I think she still got some more room to run here. I think I might be done though. I think it might, that's maybe bad. I never show my account numbers. I never show my profits. Like I said earlier, guys, I don't make any money trading. I'm the worst trader on the internet. I apologize. And I'll see you guys later on. I quit. I quit. There's that push off of the VWAP again on the QQQ. We held the VWAP there on the NASDAQ as well. A nice little breakout here, pushing it straight back up there to the 13s through the 10s. Like I said, there to the 15s now. The NASDAQ, the ES, both trying to push here. Gotta love it. We still have not really broken out of that 15-minute range on the NASDAQ here, to be honest. Nice little push off the VWAP there, though. Dollar about to make a new, about to break a low there. It's 11 o'clock. Kind of like, should I walk away now? Should I stay? Should I push it? Go for the $30,000 day? Oh, man. Every time I go for the $30,000 a day, I just give back profit. I don't know if it's worth it. I don't know if it's worth it. Yeah, so in Quant Tower, there's a thing called Copy Trader. Quant Tower has copy trading. Works pretty good. '20's on, 22 liquidity up there now. On the QQQ, on the NASDAQ there. 20 liquidity up there. Again, the ES just stuck there at the 03, 04s. NASDAQ trying to break out here. That 20, 30 level. Kind of looking juicy up there, but right now pulling back here to the 10s again. The dollar just made a new low there. Dollar breaking down there right now. Dollar down there to the 05. NASDAQ chopping back down here. Back to the 400s again on the NASDAQ there. still just cannot get out of this 15-minute range on the NASDAQ. Back to the VWAP there, 98s. Saw a lot of people very bullish in the chat. Sometimes it's not always the best idea to be very bullish. The ES just cannot get above that 4,500 level and stay above it, so. See if we get a breakout again here, kind of consolidate at this 400 level and then get the breakout maybe. I'm gonna go to the bathroom. You guys haven't hit that like button. We got 774 likes, and we get 1,000 likes on the stream. Help me help you. Again, pulling back here into the 14 EMA, into the VWAP again on the QQQ here. I think it's time for me to walk away, go to lunch. Call it a day. Call it a day right there and there. And chopping back down here. Got all the way up there to the 14s, pulling back. The ES stuck there, the NASDAQ back to the VWAP for now. So we'll see what happens later on. But right now, the NASDAQ back to the VWAP. And just chopping. We got a lot of stuff going on this week. I think there's FOMC one on Wednesday. Powell speaking on Wednesday, right? Wednesday news. What do we got? Wednesday. Yeah, FOMC statement on Wednesday. So expecting some chop until Wednesday, probably. Expecting some choppy chop until Wednesday. Once again, bouncing here off the VWAP for now. Stuck below that 400 level there for now on the NASDAQ. Yes, the NASDAQ boat just kind of stuck here. It's not really getting the movement we like to see. I mean, we're pretty much just like flat on the day right now. We were down. We opened up 0.2% down. Right now we're 0.03, 0.02. So not a lot of action. Still just going sideways here. And I think it's a good time to walk away, take away our profits, and turn it off. Let it go. So if you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. We'll be live tomorrow morning for Turbo Tuesdays. Turbo Tuesday, Junior. Turbo Tuesdays tomorrow morning. Live right back here. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Peace to the Middle East. Thanks for watching. See you guys then.